This is money dry soap. I repeat, money dry soap. I repeat, money dry soap. If you are not interested, skip this video. Today, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can become rich in a little short time. Yes, how you can become rich in a little short time. It doesn't mean you are going to wake up in the morning and you'll find out there's money in your pocket or there's money in your house. No. I'm going to teach you how the money, the income will be more than the outgoing. Like the money that will be coming in will be far greater than the money that is going out. Okay, sometimes in physical realm, a lot of people learn how to make money, but few people learn how to manage money. Although that's not what I'm going to teach you guys today. I'm going to teach you how to make a soap that attracts money, that attracts more income, in which money will just be coming from different sources you least expected. Nobody will want to hold you. Let's take a little break. I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you see this video. Guess what? You are not seeing this video by mistake. It's as a result of prayer answered. You have been seeking for a particular thing, that is money dry soap, and that is definitely what I'm going to teach you guys today. So what are you waiting for? If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Seer channel. Here I teach a lot of secrets no one will teach you, and do where to hit the subscription button so that you can become part of the family. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Okay, and if you're interested in joining my WhatsApp group, do well to comment in the comment section. I want to join your WhatsApp group for free. It's free to join my WhatsApp group. It's free. Okay, there you can have your prophecy and say things. I will say things you can't see for you. Okay, do well to like this video, at least to appreciate me for work well done and for my time. Okay guys, let's go to the topic of today. Without wasting your time, I'm going to talk about how to make money dry soap. Yeah, how to make money dry soap. You know me, I like teaching you guys one or two secrets anytime I'm dropping a video. I'm going to give you some hits today. Did you know that anybody that cuts money with his spit, money does not lack luck in that person's hand? Yes. Have you ever seen a rich man cutting money with his spit? No. When you cut money with your spit, you want to cut money, you do put spit in your hand and start money. Such people, money don't last long in their hand. Did you know that if your left hand is itching you and you scratch that hand, which means money is going out of your pocket, and if your right hand itches you, which means money is going into your pocket. So whenever your left hand is itching you and you don't want to spend money, do well not to scratch your left hand, and if your right hand is itching you, do well to scratch it very well, okay, so that the money will come as fast as possible. That's the mystery between the two hands. And don't ever cut money with your speed. Today guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a powerful money soap, and that is not going to require much of you, and it's just two ingredients needed for this. And before then, when you are going to do this soap, the first thing you have to do, you have to take a spiritual bath. Yes, you are going to take a spiritual bath. Yes. Now, how do you take the spiritual bath? All you have to do is get salt. Get salt, okay, and make sure you put put that salt inside water. I've taught you guys how to activate salt. Breathe on it 3 times. Then put the salt inside bucket. Okay, for that there's water inside, and that bucket, make sure that it is the bucket that you can keep your legs for, like you can keep your 2 legs, okay, and without the ankles touching each other. Make sure the water inside the bucket is more than your ankle. Yes, make sure the water inside the bucket is more than your ankle. That's is above your ankle. Okay, put the salt inside. Put your 2 legs inside. Stay there between 10 to 15 minutes. It shouldn't exceed 15 minutes. Else, it's good. It will not go to work. After you have stayed there for like 10 to 15 minutes, then the next thing you are going to do, go and throw that water away, clean your leg. Okay, then get salt. Put the salt in your hand, add water to use to wash your hand. You use the salt as if it is detergent, use it to wash your hand. Then after you are done with this washing your hand, and that stay there to draw all the negative energy away from that would have make it not to work for you. That is the salt you are going to put in your leg. Then the next thing you are going to need, you need for this is just the leaves of tomatoes. You need 7 leaves of tomatoes for the men and 9 leaves of tomatoes for the women. Yes, guys. So when you have gotten your leaves, all you have to do, powder leaf, okay? Powder leaf. And sometimes if I have to powder leaf, you can just add, even if it's just one seed of alligator pepper to the leaf, pound the leaves with just one seed of alligator pepper, pound it very well, then mix it with your soap. Okay. If your soap is solid soap, you can measure the soap, you can measure it, you can pound the soap along with the tomatoes. Let everything mix together. So anytime you want to bath, you bath with it. If you want to know if this thing I'm teaching you is working or if it's just a myth or just a formulator, before you do this, notice for 1 month. You already know how much is coming to your hand in a month and how much you are spending in a month. Then when you do this, they check if there is difference between the money that used to come to your hand before and the money that is coming now, or the money that used to go away from your hand every month. If it is the same thing with the money that is with you, as in like the how you spent last month, is it the same way you spent this particular month? So this help to keep away. There's any problem that will have come and take money away from your hand, it will not come to you. No matter what they plan in vain. That is how to make this spiritual soap. It's not as easy as that. Let me recap it, the summary. All you have to do is to get fresh tomato leaves, okay? Get tomato leaf, pad it with your soap, add alligator pepper to it, when padding it, pad everything together, and make sure when you are padding this, don't talk to anybody. Yes, don't talk to anybody when you are pounding this, okay? Pound it, don't talk to anybody. And make sure when you are pounding this, don't allow any eye to see you, because you don't know the kind of eye that person is that is going to see you. So that's because a lot of people have different energy. There are some eyes that will see you doing it, it will not work again. So that's when you are doing it. I will advise you to do this indoors when nobody is going to see you. Come on, guys, how about now? You've successfully learned something new today now. And what are you waiting for now? Come on, hit that like button now to at least like what I did. You just learn something new. You just want to go like that. How about now? It is not fair. Oh. Come on, hit that like button, okay? And do wait to subscribe to my channel. Any question, ask me. And I will definitely get back to you. See you guys in the next video.